Ayan. Good morning mga ka-vlogs. It's Tuesday morning. And it's me, I mag-o taking from now 7 a.m. 9 o'clock ang kanyang oat taking. So 2 hours na lang kanyang pagiging Filipino. No, always Filipino, Pinoy at heart. Pero ayan, mag-oat taking siya. So naka-ready na ang kanyang background. Yan. Ayos. Morning pala sa inyo. Yung mga vlogs, first call of the day tayo dito sa information center. Yan.
Peoples as a new Canadian citizen. Indigenous peoples in Canada may share many commonalities, but it's essential to recognize the rich diversity within these communities. Each group has unique heritage, cultural practice, spiritual belief, and language. Over 70 Indigenous languages and even federal elections. You are free to live and work in any province or territory, and we all have freedom of expression. In Canada, people are equal under the law, regardless of their gender expression. Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you. So, s'il vous plaît, répétez après moi en français. So we'll be starting in French. Please repeat after me in French. Je jure. Que je serai fidèle. Et porterai sincère allégeance. Sa Majesté. Le roi Charles III. Roi du Canada. That I will be faithful. Their true allegiance. To His Majesty. Canada.
King of Canada.
Heirs and successors. Including the Constitution. Which recognizes and affirms. The Aboriginal and treaty rights of. Nations, Inuit, and Métis people. And fulfill my duties. As a Canadian citizen. Congratulations, you are all now officially Canadian citizens. Félicitations, vous êtes toujours maintenant des citoyens canadiens. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you. So,
You can unmute yourself, Ryan.
I would like to continue with my closing remarks in your newly adopted home of Canada. May you find the peace, security, and prosperity you seek here. I hope that each of you will be blessed with good health, boundless joy, and resounding success in all your future endeavors. Take this opportunity to connect with your loved ones and relish this moment and achievement. From this day forward, you are now a part of the Canadian family, and I congratulate you on this remarkable accomplishment. Welcome home. Thank you.
Thank you, Ron. We will now proceed with the singing of the national anthem, O Canada. The recording of the anthem will be in both English and French. You may sing the anthem in either language, and the words of the anthem will appear on your screen. This will be the first time you sing O Canada as a Canadian.
Congratulations. Came here for safety, to reconnect with family, just to start a new life. You are now an equal member of our country. And as Canadians, we share responsibilities to look out for one another, to welcome those who are new here, and to respect those who are indigenous to this land, and always to leave our communities better than we found them. So as you continue your life here, remember this day when you became a citizen. And think about everything you can do every day forward to strengthen our country. Congratulations again, and welcome. Félicitations, vous êtes maintenant officiellement Canadiens et Canadiennes. Et vous avez tous suivi un parcours unique pour venir jusqu'ici. Que vous soyez venus pour trouver la sécurité, pour rejoindre votre famille ou pour commencer une nouvelle vie, vous êtes, à partir de maintenant, un membre à part entière de notre pays. Et en tant que Canadiens, nous avons tous des
Ito yung dalawang magkapatid na taga Pampanga sa Porac. Shoutout kayo dyan.
Shoutout mga Berson family sa Porac, Pampanga.
Berson family.
Berson family, yeah.
Yan. Nag-enjoy ng summer dito sa Canada.
Malapit na yung winter.
Winter nga eh. Kaya naka-short sila. Ayan. Ready for basketball.
Winter na naman.
Ayos. Yan, enjoy ang buhay sa Canada. Yes. Ano ka vlogs, merong grasshopper na malito. Ayan o. Tapos ganito kalalaki yung mga langgam dito. Ayan, grasshopper. Bye bye.
Nagsundo bata siya niyan.
Yan mga vlog. Pansit.
Parang ito na yung ano namin. Kasali na ako sa handa ni ano.
Saan?
Kasali na ako yung pagka yung ano lang, yung party ko sa pagiging
Ayan
May
mga vlogs.
commission ka pag nag-join ka.
Munggo.
Then may makukuha ka na ano.
Lumpia, kanin,
$30
tsaka chicken wings.
Alam mo nga. Ano lang. Ito naman. Huwag kayo. Wala na yan. Baka na.
Lovely, patugtog ka na nga.
Kanta na kayo.
Ayan, meron ng ano, ilaw-ilaw.
Kasi nga,
Makaka-hypnotize yan.
double celebration daw ngayon eh.
Pag kaya nakapag-citizen ako, mag-uusap.
Mga vlogs, busog na busog na. Tapos sold. After work, punta sa kaibigan. Nakikain. Happy birthday, Grace!
ay wala akong kaagaw. Isasayaw ka na para sa huling ibigo. Natsaba utak ko, paborito ni Sargento. Ibibigay ko sa'yo lahat ng lumo. Sa panlaman mo lang ang lahat ay bibiro. Sana ay marin.
Asan si ano? Anak mo?
Alam ba ako lagi ng katingin.
Yan mga vlogs. Intro lang, intro. Ay kung lumipad, sumabay sa hangin, ako'y napatingin sa dalagang napabalot ng hiwaga. Go ahead.